and we will take all the required components. That is, first is Arduino, place it over here. Then what we need is, we need one micro servo motor, so we will take it, we will place it over here. And then what we need is ultrasonic sensor. Okay, ultrasonic distance sensor. We will place it over here. Now we are done with all the components. So now make the connections for servo motor. We will rotate it, just rotate it. One more. Okay, done. So we have done with the rotation. We will take it down and place it properly. Now what is the first one? First one is signal. So we will connect it to pin number 6. Okay, connect it to pin number 6 over here. And then what is next? Next is power. We will take power and connect it to 5 volt. Okay, here we can see this is 5 volt. Connect it over here and we'll change its color to red. Okay, then what is next? Next is ground. We will ground it. We'll take this and ground it over here. Okay, and we will change its color to black. Okay, done. Then now we have done the connections of micro servo motor. Now we will do the connections for sensor. First is what? First is power. Okay, I will change its color to red. So power, just take it and we have to connect it to 5 volt again. Okay, to 5 volt. Okay, so we are done with that. Then what is next? Next is trigger. So we'll change its color to green and we have to connect this trigger to pin number 9. Okay, we'll connect it over here, pin number 9. Okay, then next, suppose I will take color blue, and what is this? This is echo. We'll have to connect it to pin number 10. Pin number 10. Okay, then what is next? Next is ground. So we will take a black color and ground it. Okay, we will ground it. So we are done with all the connections. Now we will do coding. Code, blocks, click on text, continue, and we'll just remove this all and paste here the code. So what this code says, that trigger pin is connected to pin number 9, echo pin is connected to pin number 10, and we have attached the and pin mode at trigger pin and output, echo pin input. Okay, then this is for loop, continuous running, and then delay microseconds we have provided here of 2 seconds, here 10 seconds, and this is the coding part. Okay, now we will see. If we start the stimulation, see this motor is rotating. Okay, and if we reduce the distance, then also it will rotate. Okay, so this is what it basically looks like. This is the basic circuit and this is the basic coding for servo barrier gate.